In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Google AdSense. To receive your AdSense earnings, you need to have a valid payout method on your Google Payments profile. We'll set that up using the Google Ads billing area, which connects to the same payments profile your AdSense account uses. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you use for AdSense. Start by going to the Google Ads website and signing in. Once you're in, open the billing section and select Payment Methods. This page is where you manage how Google sends or charges funds. If you're withdrawing AdSense earnings, you'll be focusing on bank details rather than cards, since cards are typically used to pay for ads, not to receive payments. Next, click the Add Payment Method button. You'll see options to add a credit or debit card or to add a bank account. Choose the option that fits your goal. For AdSense withdrawals, select the bank option so Google can deposit your earnings directly to your account via bank transfer, sometimes labeled wire transfer or EFT, depending on your country. Now add your details. If you chose a bank, carefully enter the account holder name exactly as it appears on the account, along with your account number and the required routing, IBAN, or SWIFT information for your region. Double-check the currency and country settings to ensure they match your bank account. Accuracy here is essential because any mismatch can delay your payout. If your account is a business account, enter the registered business name. If it's personal, use your legal name as it appears with your bank. When you're done, save your changes. Finally, check your email for a message from Google confirming access to your bank or card. Follow any instructions in that message to complete activation. In some regions, Google may ask you to confirm a small test deposit or acknowledge account access before payments can be sent. Keep an eye on your inbox and, if needed, your bank statement for those verification details. Once your bank method shows as active in payment methods, you're set. AdSense will automatically send your earnings to that account on its regular payment schedule once your balance meets the payment threshold and any required account verifications are complete. If a payout window passes and you don't see funds, review your payment method for typos. Make sure your bank accepts international transfers, if applicable, and confirm that your AdSense balance has reached the threshold. That's all you need to start receiving AdSense payments smoothly into your bank.